Hello kids, today we will learn number 1 and 2. In this video, we will learn all about number 1 and we will do some activities for number 1. Then we will learn all about number 2 and we will do some activities for number 2. So let's start with number 1.
Color number 1. Woohoo! Put one ball in the cart. 1. Collect all the number 1s. 1. 1. Woohoo! Can you find all the number 1s? 1. 1. 1. 1. 1. You did it! Put all the 1 items in the cart. 1. 1. 1. 1.
Can you spot the number 1 on the number line? Yes, this is number 1. Can you find number 1 here? Yes, that's right. This is number 1. Can you help this little boy to add 1 fruit to his plate? Yes, excellent. It's 1 apple. Can you help this girl to find the jar of 1 sweet? Yes, that's right. The jar has only 1 sweet. And now let's do a challenge. Walk around the room and come back with 1 thing in your hands. Can you do 1 jump? Can you show me 1 finger? Do you know what comes before and after number 1? Yes, that's right. Before number 1 there is number 0. And after number 1 there is number 2. Now let's learn all about number 2.
2. Color number 2s. Amazing! Put 2 aliens in the spaceship. 1. 2. Collect all the number 2s. 2. 2. 2. Amazing! Can you find all the number 2s? 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. Woohoo! Hide all the objects in the planet. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. 2. 1. Excellent.
Can you write number 2? It's so easy. Excellent. Can you spot the number 2 on the number line? Yes, excellent. That's right. This is number 2. Can you find number 2 here? Yes, that's right. This is number 2. Can you help this girl to put 2 cars on the road? Let's count together 2 cars. 1 and 2. Can you help her to find the jar of 2 sweets? Yes. great job. This jar has 2 sweets only. Now it's a challenge time. Look around the room and come back with 2 things in your hands. Can you do 2 hops? Can you show me 2 fingers? Do you know what comes before and after number 2? Yes, there's number 1 before number 2. And after number 2 we have number 3. This is the end of our video. Thanks for watching.